Rooster here from Off Grid Rooster. I finally got an alarm system. Let me show you. It's not what you think it is, and it's a loud alarm system. These are guinea hens, guinea fowls they call them, but these are the babies, which are called Keats. They are loud. I used to have them. I don't plan to have a lot of them because they really get loud. Either you like this type of fowl or you don't. That's the way it is. They are being trained slowly into my, how do you call it, with my hens. But because they're young, they can't come in, so they're seeing each other through a partition. And they're wild birds. Females, I think it's, I don't know if I have it correctly, but females give one tone, really loud. They are a bird that is aware of anything in the sky. If a hawk comes in, they travel together. They give a loud noise to alert everyone. They also, they fly 500 feet, but they'll come back if you train them correctly. And they could free range, and that's what I'm going to plan to do, is just leave them free range. And they are amazing birds. Amazing fowl, whatever you want to call them. But just to show you, the only problem I think I'm going to run into are my dogs. But they fly 500 feet and they roost high, very high on trees. Since I don't have too many trees here, I don't have trees at all. I just have mesquite that I trimmed them to make them look like trees. These guys could be roosting up on top of my trailer, my cabin, my cars, and that's how they protect themselves. They walk in unison, one after another. They follow each other. If one moves, the other one moves. I'm only going to keep maybe 4, 1 male and 3 females. And that way I can also, I'm going to use them for meat and eggs. They are one of the nutritious eggs that you could get, more nutritious than chicken eggs. The meat is really tender, is really good meat. I used to love just cooking them. And they grow pretty big. They grow maybe about 4 pounds, I think. They're huge. They're gray. They have wattles. The males have larger wattles and facing out. And the females just have those same wattles. They almost look alike. They also have a crown on top. The male crowns are higher and face the back. And if you look at them together, you can't tell them apart. You have to know what you're looking for. And the way they squawk are totally different. One gives one tone, and either it's the male or the female, and then the female gives 2 tones. So if you hear like I think it's the male that just goes, it just gives one tone, and then the female is, and they sound different. You have to just pay attention to them. But this is just a little information for you. But you'll see them growing up. Excuse me. You'll see them growing up if God's willing. And this is my start of my production for meat. I'm going to see if I get turkeys and other fowls, but not, I might just go to a limit of about 75 to 100 birds. And little by little, I'm just introducing it. As soon as that hen house is built, game's on. So, and then my goats, There's another male, a boar goat, that's supposed to be coming over so I can mate it with my boar female goats. And hopefully it'll work out. You know, it sounds like a good plan. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. One day at a time. Don't forget, like my channel, share it, subscribe, please. I need subscribers. But it's amazing here. You know, it was raining for a while last week. 2 days didn't get much rain in this area, but I got enough to wet the land to bring the dust down. Here, I didn't accumulate any significant amount of catchment for the totes. But, you know, it is what it is. You guys stay safe. One day at a time. God bless you all.